developments showcase its progress and innovation. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Budapest or venturing into the countryside, you'll be captivated by the warmth of its people, the beauty of its landscapes, and the richness of its culture. Hungary invites you to discover its many layers and create unforgettable memories. A cruise along the Danube River is an unforgettable way to experience the beauty of Hungary. The Danube, Europe's second longest river, winds its way through the heart of the country, connecting Budapest to other charming towns and villages. As you glide along the river, you'll be treated to stunning views of rolling hills, vineyards, and historic castles perched atop cliffs. One of the most scenic stretches of the Danube is the Danube Bend, located north of Budapest. The river curves sharply here, creating a picturesque landscape dotted with charming villages, medieval castles, and lush forests. The towns of Esztergom, Visegrad, and Szentendre, located along the Danube Bend, are popular destinations for their historical significance and scenic beauty. Esztergom, Hungary's former capital, is home to the Esztergom Basilica, the largest church in the country. The basilica's imposing dome dominates the skyline, offering panoramic views of the Danube Bend. Visegrad, once a royal residence, is perched atop a hill overlooking the river. The ruins of Visegrad Castle, dating back to the 13th century, offer a glimpse into the region's medieval past. Szentendre, known as the Artists' Village, is a charming town with cobblestone streets, colorful houses, and numerous art galleries and museums. The town's Mediterranean atmosphere and artistic vibe make it a popular destination for day trips from Budapest. Section 4. Lake Balaton, Hungary's inland sea. Lake Balaton, often referred to as the Hungarian Sea, is Central Europe's largest lake, stretching over 77 kilometers in length and covering an area of about 600 square kilometers. Located in western Hungary, Lake Balaton is a popular destination for swimming, sailing, windsurfing, and other water sports. Its serene waters and gentle waves make it ideal for both beginners and experienced enthusiasts. The lake's shallow waters warm up quickly in the summer months, making it a perfect spot for families with children. The safe, shallow shores provide a worry-free environment for parents and endless fun for kids. The northern shore of Lake Balaton is known for its volcanic hills, vineyards, and charming towns. These hills are home to some of the region's best vineyards, producing exquisite wines that attract connoisseurs from around the world. The Tihany Peninsula, jutting out into the lake, is a popular destination for its Benedictine Abbey, lavender fields, and stunning lake views. The abbey, founded in 1055, is a historical gem that offers a glimpse into Hungary's rich past. The town of Tihany, perched atop the peninsula, offers breathtaking views of the lake and the surrounding countryside. Its quaint streets and traditional houses add to the charm, making it a must-visit spot. The southern shore of Lake Balaton is characterized by its flat landscape, long sandy beaches, and lively resort towns. These beaches are perfect for sunbathing, beach volleyball, and enjoying the vibrant summer atmosphere. Széchenyi, the largest city on Lake Balaton, is a popular destination for its nightlife, beaches, and water sports facilities. Known as the party capital of Hungary, Széchenyi offers a variety of entertainment options for all ages. The town of Keszthely, located at the western end of the lake, is known for its Baroque palace, museums, and historical significance. The Festetics Palace, a stunning Baroque building, is a highlight that draws many visitors. Lake Balaton is not only a destination for summer fun, but also a region with a rich history and culture. Throughout the year, various cultural events and festivals celebrate the lake's heritage and traditions. The region surrounding the lake is dotted with vineyards, producing some of Hungary's finest wines. Wine tasting tours are a popular activity, offering visitors a chance to sample local varieties and learn about the winemaking process. The towns and villages around the lake offer a glimpse into traditional Hungarian life, with their charming architecture, folk traditions, and culinary delights. Local markets and festivals provide an authentic experience of Hungarian culture. Section 5. Hortobágy National Park, the wild heart of Hungary. Hortobágy National Park, located in eastern Hungary, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Europe's last remaining true steppes. The park's vast open plains are home to a unique ecosystem, characterized by its grasslands, marshes, and alkaline lakes. Hortobágy is a haven for wildlife, with over 300 bird species, including the iconic gray-lag goose, as well as wild horses, water buffalo, and other rare animals. The park's landscape has been shaped by centuries of traditional pastoralism. For centuries, Hungarian herdsmen have grazed their livestock on the vast plains of Hortobágy, preserving the unique ecosystem and cultural traditions. Today, visitors can experience the park's rich cultural heritage by visiting traditional farmsteads, witnessing equestrian displays, and learning about the region's unique way of life. One of the best ways to explore Hortobágy National Park is by horse-drawn carriage. As you ride through the park's vast plains, you'll be surrounded by a sense of peace and tranquility, broken only by the sounds of nature. The park also offers hiking trails, birdwatching towers, and visitor centers, providing opportunities to learn about the park's ecology, history, and cultural significance. Hortobágy National Park is a testament to the beauty and ecological importance of Hungary's natural heritage. The park's vast plains, diverse wildlife, and rich cultural traditions offer a unique and unforgettable travel experience.